So this is my machine after 2 years of usage. I bought this in 2019 November, and I've been using it on a daily basis, which means an average of 8 cups a day, with an average of 4 people in the house. So we've been using the frother, we've been using the espresso, the grinding, everything, and it's been holding up pretty well. I live in Israel, and therefore my currency is a 220 voltage, which I purchased a. When you buy it in the UK, it comes with the UK plug, and I just bought an adapter to adapt it to this country. I'm sure many other countries that have the 220, it can also be used, and very helpful. Very good machine. You just gotta maintain it, keep it clean. A good note is to have it next to your sink, because there is a lot of grind that comes out of it. You get a lot of what to clean. I use a little plastic bag with a little a knock box, which cleans out all the coffee from the filter, the portafilter, and I got a machine with it. Do use a double filter, so I use a Brita filter. I pour it into there, and in the back I use the there's a filter inside over there that it comes with. I change it once every 6 months, and that should be good. If you clean it, maintain it, descale it also once every 4 months, and every month and a half to two, you have to actually clean it. It will last you for a while. So this is 2 years on a daily basis. Very happy with my machine. Very definitely worth it.